Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet beard for applique and amigurumi. Beard. Now we need to make a chain of 57 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Once that is done, in starting two stitches, we will make one double crochet stitch. Okay. And ending two stitches, again we make one double crochet stitch. And after these two stitches are done, for 5 continuous stitches we will make in starting 5 continuous stitches we will make one double crochet stitch, and in ending it is before those two, it's just in the reverse manner. Like in starting, first we go with 2 half double crochet stitches and then 5 double crochet stitches. In ending we will go with first 5 double crochet stitches and then 2 half double crochet stitches. And in middle all stitches, in rest all middle stitches, we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, just look how I'm making, then you will understand more better. So starting is 2 double crochet stitches, one each, then followed by starting is 2 half double crochet stitches, one each, followed by 5 double crochet stitches, one each. Then ending, it will be in reverse manner, uh, 5 double crochet stitches, one each, followed by 2 half double crochet stitches, one each. And middle stitches, all stitches we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Here we are done with the last half double crochet stitch. Now we make a chain crochet stitch and turn our crochet work. We make a chain crochet stitch and turn our crochet work. Okay, now again we are repeating same pattern like we did in the first row. We are doing same in the second row, nothing different. Starting with 2 half double crochet stitches, one each, followed by 5 double crochet stitches, and ending also in reverse manner, 5 double crochet stitches, one each, and in the end 2 half double crochet stitches, one each. And in middle all middle stitches will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, same, exactly same pattern. So I will just complete this and show you. Now see, this is how it looks. Done with last stitch, we will make a chain crochet stitch and turn a crochet work. Now we are going to make a wavy pattern. Okay, and how are we going to do that? In first, we are going to work in batch of 9 stitches. So stitch number 1, single crochet stitch. Stitch number 2, half double crochet stitch. Then third to 7, 5 stitches, 3 4 5 6 7, we will make 1 1 1 double crochet stitch. Then 8th, 1 half double crochet stitch, and 9th a single crochet stitch. We are going to repeat this pattern of 9 stitches in whole till end, the whole beard till end. Okay, so I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now see, this is how it looks. Now once we are done with the last pattern of 9 stitches, now see, side borders and inner circle border, we are going to make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. These are side borders, small sides are there. These are side borders. We will make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. And now the inner circle, side, one side border, inner circle and other side border, we are going to make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. And down part, we are going to make it different. Okay, I'll just complete this and show you. Now in down part, we will again repeat that same pattern. Nothing different. We are going to repeat same pattern of 9 stitches. Stitch number 1, single crochet stitch. Stitch number 2, 1 half double crochet stitch. Then for 5 stitches, 3 4 5 6 7 3 4 5 6 7 8, we will make 1 1 1 double crochet stitch, and in ninth stitch we will make a slip stitch. Finish. Okay, so we are going to repeat this pattern of 9 stitches for complete down part. Okay, so we get that wavy look for a beard. So it is stitch number 1, single crochet stitch, stitch number 2, half double crochet stitch, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, we will make 1 1 1 double crochet stitch, and in ninth we will make a slip stitch. So we are going to repeat this pattern of 9 stitches till for complete down part. So we get a wavy look for a beard. So I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. This is how a beard look on the face. So this is a final piece. This beard, you can use it on any applique, any amigurumi, wherever you want. And as you have seen, whole video was in detail explanation. Like each step was explained quite slowly and properly. So I hope so you have understood it and you have no confusion in any problem in it. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. So this is how I'll show you how I assembled it on this Santa Claus applique. Now this is how we can apply this crochet beard on any applique. Okay, see how the final piece looks. If you want crochet tutorial for this Santa Claus applique, link is given in description. Please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha.